How to transfer money from OnePay to Cash App. Here's how it works. You want to load up Cash App, click on your profile icon in the top right, and then here we're going to go into linked banks. Once you select linked banks, then you will click on link new debit card, and here we're going to select new debit card, transfer instantly, send payments. So it's going to ask for your OnePay debit card number. You can provide it in this field, the expiration date, the CVV, which is going to be the code on the back of your card, and also your zip code. If you're unsure of your zip code, you can just Google it. So the area you live in, and also followed by zip code, and it's going to give you your zip code. Okay, so once you have linked your OnePay debit card or bank account, then you will go back here. You're going to go into the bank icon. So we're going to click on the bank icon. Then we have to select add money, and you will choose the amount which you want to add. So for example, let's do $25 here. And once we do $25, we're just going to click on add. And if you have successfully linked your OnePay debit card, then you will click on continue here, and it is going to take the money from your OnePay account and add it to Cash App. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.